So on your practice problem, you had 15.2 kilojoules of energy is required to melt a sample of ice. How many grams of ice were melted? All right, so again, we've got our conversion factor here. We have 334 joules per gram, which equals the conversion factor of, for every 334 joules, we have 1 gram of water. Now, our given here is in kilojoules. The units don't match, so I can't just plug it up and set up our fraction, because here we're in kilojoules, here we're in joules, so the units don't match. So we've got to get kilojoules into joules, and we know that that's just a simple metric conversion, because for every 1 kilojoule there are 10 to the 3 joules. So we're going to use that conversion factor to get us into joules to be able to do the conversion. So I'm going to set it up. So if kilojoules is on top, I'm going to put it on the bottom. So 1 kilojoule, and that leftover remaining is 10 to the 3 joules. So that gets rid of my kilojoules. I'm now in the joule. So now I can use this conversion factor to figure out the mass of the water. So if joules is on top, joules will go on the bottom, and gram will go on the top. And now joules is canceled, and I will be left in grams. So I can plug this in so I can simplify the numbers. So basically I'm going to have 15.2 times 10 to the 3 divided by 334. So plug it in the calculator. And I get the number 45.508. I'm going to round because I only want 1 decimal place, so I get 45.5. So 45.5 grams of ice were melted with the release of 15.2 kilojoules of heat.